Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno, and today I will show you how to block a number. So to start off, we'll open up the dialer app right here. And from here you can tap on the gear icon right here to go into settings. And from here you see the block category. And here we have a blacklist, so you can go here and add a number manually. So enter a number or select a number. Select number would be basically if the number called you, you can choose it from the list of numbers that have either are on your list or calls that came in, but there is no calls here. So I have nothing to choose from, so I could just enter a number manually like this, select add, and now it would be blocked. Then you have also whitelist, which I'm genuinely not really sure what is it for, considering if you don't blacklist it, it will be able to reach you. And you also have the block notifications, and thank God by default it's set to don't show blocked calls notifications, because I had a device where it actually, I didn't have that option, and for some reason it was notifying me that, oh yeah, we just blocked numbers, making the blocking kind of redundant, because even though it blocked, I still had a notification that so-and-so number tried to call you, and I would just kind of like have to swipe it, or it will just annoy me with the blinking light. So that is a really nice touch in my opinion, and you can change it also as you like if you want to get notifications from it. So yeah, and this is basically how you block a number. And if you want to remove it, you can just go back to where we were before, which is blacklist right here, and then select that number, select like this, and then you have a little button right on the bottom to remove it. So that would be how you would remove a number from being blacklisted. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.